Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Of course, I want to give you guys an update what is happening right now with Bitcoin and crypto. There is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts that I want to show you guys. Okay, very important right now because there is in fact a very clear signal that Bitcoin is in fact to move very fast. Okay, I told you guys, okay, once we see Bitcoin breaking this resistance line, okay, back up to its previous all-time highs, once it breaks it, we will in fact see Bitcoin reaching new highs. So that is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video, because Bitcoin is ready for a bull run. Okay, it really is. I already talked about this in yesterday's video. Yesterday I did in fact go live as well. I did in fact stream. So if you guys haven't seen any of my videos yesterday, you should definitely check it out. But today, let me show you guys what is happening with Bitcoin, because something interesting is actually happening right now with Bitcoin this morning. So let me just show you guys. So Bitcoin right now, 58,400. We are in fact in the 4-hour time frame. We know Bitcoin was in fact, having very strong consolidations, okay, for the past coming up to 2 weeks now. Even for the past, if we go to the daily time frame, Yashin's clearly to see we are in fact seeing a very strong resistance and support level. Okay, and one time, okay, a couple of weeks ago, we did actually see Bitcoin breaking this support level, and it went all the way down to about $49,000 as low of 49k, just below 50k, and it did in fact bounce back up, right? So Yashin's clearly to see Bitcoin has in fact been consolidating for the longest time now, in between its previous all-time highs of $73,000 and pretty much like around $55,000. Okay, y'all can clearly see that. So right now, Bitcoin is actually dropping. Okay, slightly. Okay, yesterday we saw it at about over $59,000, and it's slightly dropping right now, back down to $58,000. Okay, so right now is possibly, I mean, I've been telling you guys many times, okay, it's not possibly, it is literally the best time right now to buy Bitcoin, okay, to simply DCA into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 2% right now, okay, today. So it's a great time to buy more Bitcoin, in my opinion, okay. It's very cheap, it's below $60,000 right now. The crypto market today is not really moving, okay, down 0.62%, okay, so that's, the overall crypto market, and the global crypto market is still above 2 trillion, which is great to see. So past 24 hours, we're not seeing huge movements for majority of altcoins today, right? So we're not seeing huge movements, so there's really nothing to talk about there. But I want to show you guys this chart before I get into the Bitcoin chart, right? So altcoins, okay? Alt season is coming, guys. Understand that, okay? A lot of these altcoins will pump, okay? A lot of these altcoins, okay, not all of them, but a lot of these altcoins, majority of them, I would say, right, will reach back up to its previous highs, okay, like what it did in 2021, okay, and reach new highs in the next upcoming bull cycle. And we know, guys, in 2025, next year, that is when things will change, okay. Bitcoin will skyrocket and altcoins will skyrocket as well. So understand 2025 is right around the corner, and 2025 will be a massive year for crypto. So understand, guys, this chart is showing us here that alt season is coming. Okay, Yasin's clearly see that 2025 is going to be an amazing year, for just cryptocurrency in general, right? We're going to see Bitcoin skyrocketing and altcoins, right? So understand, guys, alt season is right around the corner. So please be prepared for that. And I know a lot of you guys do in fact hold altcoins, but honestly, I hope you guys do in fact have some Bitcoin. You need some Bitcoin in your portfolio. In fact, you actually need more Bitcoin than altcoins. That's just my personal opinion, right? So that's that. Now, Bitcoin, yes, let's talk about this, right? A breakout is coming. Understand, once we see Bitcoin actually breaking this resistance line, it's going to be reaching new highs. Okay, I've been talking about this resistance line for Bitcoin. It is, Bitcoin is pretty much forming a bull flag, okay? And once it breaks this resistance, okay, it's going to be reaching new highs. A massive pump is coming. So understand, $86,000 is the target. Okay, when we see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, it's going to shoot higher, and $86,000 is very possible. Okay, it really is. And this is in fact it's saying here megaphone pattern. Okay, so this is very possible, guys. So please be prepared for Bitcoin to break this resistance and pump higher. Okay, and there is in fact a fair few charts today that's showing us here once we actually see Bitcoin breaking out of this resistance, it's going to be shooting higher. Okay, because we know a massive pump is coming, right? So once again, okay, Bitcoin, okay, getting ready for the post-halving parabolic rally in Q4, right? So you guys can clearly see soon enough, okay, we're going to see a pump every single time. Okay, and this chart is just clearly showing us here, right? Let me just show you guys. Every single time we have a Bitcoin halving event, right after it, we do in fact see Bitcoin having a bull run. It doesn't happen straight away. You guys can clearly see that in previous Bitcoin halving events, okay, back in 2016 and 2020, okay? So this is in 2020 was our third halving, then 2016 was our second halving, and you guys can clearly see, okay, right after we have the Bitcoin halving event, we don't actually see Bitcoin pump straight away. It actually takes time. It took a few weeks time, even a few months time, and then it pumped, right? You guys can clearly see that in 2016, even in 2020, right over here. So what is doing right now? Okay, what Bitcoin is doing right now, it's very, very similar to what it did back in 2020, even in 2016. We did in fact see very, very strong consolidation movements. Then after that, we did in fact see a breakout, and that's when everything changed. Okay, and that's when we entered a bull run, right? So understand, guys, it's already been a few months' time. Okay, so soon enough, we will see Bitcoin pumping. I still believe Bitcoin is still on track, okay, to reaching at least 100K towards the end of this year in 2024, right? I've been telling us that many, many times. And yes, I 100% still believe that Bitcoin has huge potential to be reaching in the six figures towards the end of this year in 2024. Okay, so understand the parabolic rally in Q4 is coming. So please be ready for that. Okay, so here's another chart showing us here, okay, about the Q4 of 2024. We've already seen that in 2023, and we saw a support. Well, you guys can't see it. We saw a support and then a breakout, okay, and retest. Okay, you guys can clearly see that Q4 2023 just last year. So understand, okay, Q4 2024 is going to be very, very similar once again. Okay, once we see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, okay, pretty much going back up to its previous highs and higher, okay, it's going to absolutely skyrocket. So yes, 80K, 90K, even 100K is very, very possible, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. Okay, so understand, the fourth quarter is usually very strong bull runs, okay, during the bull runs. So Bitcoin is ready, guys, to be reaching new highs. Okay, a massive pump is coming soon, so please be prepared for that. Okay, understand, borderline wedge right now, and once we break out of it, $91,000. This is very, very possible. Okay, Bitcoin loading up for another bullish breakout, and this is coming from Max, and this is a great chart showing us here, okay, that once we actually break out of this borderline wedge, okay, most people call it like a bull flag, and break that resistance, $91,000 is the target. That's very, very possible. Okay, so please be ready, guys. Okay, Bitcoin is about to shock a lot of people. Okay, now this chart is showing us here the comparison between gold, spot, and Bitcoin. Right now, since clearly it's very, very similar. Okay, what gold did back in the time, okay, past few years, in 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023, to where it is now in 2024, we did in fact see gold in between the support level and this resistance. And once we actually saw gold breaking this resistance, it pumped even higher. Very, very similar to what Bitcoin is doing right now. Understand, guys. Okay, I've been telling you guys, right? Once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, it's going to shoot higher to 80K, to 90K, to eventually $100,000. So please be ready for that. This is very, very similar. Okay, very, very similar to what gold did. Okay, very similar. So it's very, very possible that we will in fact see the exact same thing happening for Bitcoin. Okay, because soon enough, we will have to see Bitcoin breaking out of this resistance, okay, breaking above it to be reaching new highs, okay, and it's going to happen, guys, so please be prepared for that. All right, now this is interesting. Okay, Bitcoin is on the road to $150,000 very, very soon, and it says here Bitcoin follows the same pattern and is getting to $150,000. Okay, so the blue circle, okay, bulk consolidation, and then the yellow circle, short uptrend connection, and then the purple is small consolidation. Currently, Bitcoin comes to the final portion in blue the blue circle, bulk consolidation, the pump will be very sudden and fast. Be ready. And that's very, very true. Okay. The pump will be very, very fast and sudden. And I want you guys to be prepared for it. This is the best time right now, guys. Okay. To accumulate Bitcoin. I've been telling us that many, many times. Accumulate into Bitcoin while it's still cheap, while it's still below, $100,000. Okay. Buy Bitcoin now before it reaches 100K, because eventually it will reach 100K. Okay, and it's going to go higher than 100K. 100K is nothing, guys. Understand that. It's going to get to 120 to 130 to 150. Okay, just like all this chart is showing. Even higher, 180, 200K, even over 200K, even $300,000 is very, very possible. Okay, no one actually knows where the top will be for Bitcoin, but understand, guys, these are just all predictions, but it's very, very possible for us to see Bitcoin reaching in the six figs. 100K is the target. Okay, 150 to 200K is possible. 300K, it's pretty possible as well. You know what I mean? It really, really is, guys. Bitcoin will melt a lot of faces. And for the people out there, especially the retail investors that are not taking action right now for Bitcoin, okay, they will FOMO in later on. Once we are in fact in a bull run, they will FOMO in. Sadly, that's the truth. Every single time we enter a bull cycle, every single time we enter a bull run, there's always FOMO. And people like to buy in when everyone's talking about it, when it's in the greens, when it's pumping, right? It's just sadly the truth. You know what I mean? So guys, don't be that sheep, right? Don't follow what other people are doing. Buy now while others are fearful. If you look at the Fingrid index right now, it's actually in fear mode. People are fearful for no reason. This is not the time to panic right now or to be panicking, right? Or to be fearful. When others are fearful, guys, we got to be greedy. So this is the best time right now, okay, to buy Bitcoin. That's all I'm going to say, guys. Okay, I can only say it. You guys got to do the action. Right? And of course, this is not financial advice, guys. You're either in it or you're not, right? So please be prepared for the bull run. And I hope, and I know, majority of you guys watching my videos are in fact truly prepared for the next upcoming bull run. Whether you're investing into Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other altcoins that you guys like, I know you guys are prepared, okay? And for the people that are not prepared, that's on you. And trust me, I'm gonna say this here, okay? You will regret it later on that you're not taking action right now with Bitcoin and crypto. If you simply want to make money, okay, this is the time to do that, okay, to buy in now. And guess what, guys? Majority of my investments in crypto are in fact in Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I'm here for long term, okay, and a lot of these altcoins, okay, in the market, I am in fact holding them for long term as well. I'm doing a long term play, guys. Understand, I'm not a trader. I am in fact a investor. I'm doing this for my future self and family. Right, so that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. More videos will in fact be coming your way. Hang in there, okay? Continue to hold and buy and let the gains come to you. So on that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.